The cold, now this is going to persist for the next or so. Unfortunately, through the weekends and next week, a transition occurs, and that jet stream sinks further southwards. We're on the cold dip, in fact, even below 10 degrees across some parts of northern Scotland, but that's a long way off. Let's enjoy the spring sunshine today, lovely April sunshine this afternoon. And across London, temperatures getting up to something like 16 degrees. That's 61 degrees is light as well. That sunshine extends right across the Channel Islands too, and into the southwest of the country here in Plymouth, say around about 14. Now, in this part of the world, across the southwestern Wales, admittedly, we had a bit of a cloudy start to the day, but the clouds have been breaking up, so the second half of the afternoon looks like will be much brighter. Now, in Northern Ireland, a little bit more cloudy than we were anticipating. Temperatures in some areas probably struggling to around about 12 degrees or so. And in Scotland, the same theme as we've had in the last few days. More cloud in the west, better conditions across the north and the east in Aberdeenshire, for example. Some sunny spells across northern England, but the best of the sunshine by far across the Midlands. So what's going to happen into the evening hours and overnight tonight? We are in fact going to see a lot of clear weather around, but despite that, temperatures aren't going to drop too low. In fact, in some major towns and cities across the west, 4 or 5 degrees. But note, this low-level, misty, muck, grey cloud driven by this flow off sea, that means a pretty great of the day across some eastern counties in the Midlands during the course of the morning. But once the sun rises, it should burn that cloud away, ending up to, say, something like 16 degrees. On the very coast itself, say around about 10 degrees. But tomorrow, there will be some warm spots. Windsor, 18, maybe even a 19 degrees. That's getting on the warm side. Reading, say around 18 degrees as well. Repeat the same process. First thing in the morning, it looks as though it's cloudy, and then by the time we get into the afternoon, more sunshine on the way. However, it looks as though a rain band is heading our way towards the end of the working week, and that rain band will